Is your console completely unresponsive after installing the latest April update? Don't worry, because this is a known firmware glitch, and I have the advanced fixes to get you back in the game right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are tackling the recent power failure issues that have been bricking systems after the newest software rollout. This problem usually happens because the update process gets interrupted or the system files fail to verify properly during the final reboot. This leaves your hardware in a stuck state where the power button simply does nothing. Let's jump straight into the 10 advanced solutions to revive your machine today. Step 1. Unplug the power cord from the back of the console and let it sit for a full 10 minutes to completely clear the system cache. Step 2. While the unit is unplugged, hold down the power button for 30 seconds to discharge any remaining static electricity from the motherboard. Step 3. Plug the power cord back in and immediately hold the power button down for 7 seconds until you hear a second beep to force safe mode. Step 4. If safe mode works, select the option to change the video output and set it to automatic to fix any signal handshake errors. Step 5. Use a different power cable from a high-end appliance to see if the update caused a surge that damaged the original fuse in your cord. Step 6. Disconnect any external storage drives or M.2 SSDs, as the update might be struggling to read an external file system. Step 7. Navigate to safe mode again and select the option to clear system software cache and rebuild the database to fix corrupted update data. Step 8. If you are still seeing a black screen, swap your cable for a certified HDMI 2.1 cable to ensure the update did not reset your display settings. Step 9. Perform a soft reset of your controller by using a pin to press the back button, which can sometimes trigger the console to wake up via Bluetooth. Step 10. As a last resort, use a USB drive to manually reinstall the system software from the official recovery site while in safe mode. Here is a pro tip for you. Always perform these big updates while connected to a wired Ethernet cable instead of your 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. This prevents packet loss, which is the #1 reason these updates fail and cause power issues in the first place. If you face any difficulty with these steps or your console still won't turn on, just leave a comment below. I will be checking the comments, and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If this guide saved your gaming setup, please like this video and share it with your friends who are struggling with this update. Remember to subscribe to TechVibes for more expert tech solutions. You are all set to get back to your favorite games with a fully restored system.